Thank you. Thank you, buddy. More.
Yeah, she needs more. What you are doing, Krishu?
Food.
Food? What food?
Buddy food.
You are giving birdie food.
I do the outside.
Okay. Oh, you have given all the food. Now birdie will be very happy. Birdie will be. And what birdie will tell you?
Thank you.
What she will say? What
Thank
birdie?
you, buddy.
Birdie will say thank you.
Buddy, eat
Eat, yeah.
food.
Eat food.
Rice.
Rice, okay.
Rice.
Huh?
Big rice.
Big rice.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, good to put and no ball.
Yeah, okay. Krishu put food in the ball.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you, Birdie. Say bye bye, Birdie, and say, Birdie, I am also going for breakfast. And I'll see you after some time. Okay?
No.
Say, Birdie, I am also going for breakfast. Now your food is also ready. Go. Let's get up.
No good.
Get up, baby.
No.
Your food is ready. Let's go.
No, right here.
Hmm?
Hi. Hello. Hello, buddy.